For all your web hosting needs, check out BlueHost, where you could get plans for as low as $3.95 per month. Sign up today and get a free domain plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you've been watching the news or keeping up with the whole Bitcoin thing, you know that there is currently a Bitcoin meltdown. And this is something that wasn't unexpected to people who do have a lot of experience in investing. But for everyone else, it's kind of like normal for this to occur. Like whenever things get on the news in terms of investing, hot picks, trends, by the time it gets to the news, it's usually already too late. Because the ones that are really making money off of all these trends are people who are already savvy investors. And normally they get in and get out before the news gets out to the mass markets. And even when the market dips down, the people who are savvy investors will wait for it to bottom out so then they could buy a lot of it up. Okay? And so my thoughts on this whole Bitcoin cryptocurrency thing is that if you do not know about Bitcoin or know much about cryptocurrency, and especially if you are not an experienced investor, I'd recommend that you don't put too much of your money in it, because things like investing new markets like cryptocurrency, it just takes time to learn. And unfortunately, by the time it gets to the mass media and stuff, it becomes a get-rich-quick thing. And so people who have none of those things decide to put a lot of their money in it. And then when things like this happens, and you have this meltdown or bottoming out, they lose all their money. And then because of that, they will probably be less likely to invest in the future because of their bad experience. Okay. And then in terms of actually cryptocurrency itself, there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's Litecoin, and there's so many other new cryptocurrencies. My feeling on that is cryptocurrency, it will be definitely a part of our currency system in the future, for sure. There's no doubt in my mind with blockchain technology and everything else. The only thing is, it's going to take time for that to happen because there needs to be regulation, there needs to be policies, standards, and all those things, because you can have any type of currency that you want. But unless there's value and there's trust, most importantly, behind that, it's absolutely worthless. It becomes fiat currency. So you've probably seen some countries where the government is unstable, but yet they're printing out a lot of money, and which is absolutely worthless because there's no value behind it. So that's kind of where we're at with cryptocurrency. It's still very early in its stage, and so my guess is that right now we're in a stage where cryptocurrency is trying to become legitimate. And so once the big banks, governments, and all the financial institutions get in on it, and businesses, then it'll be, I guess, more stable. Okay, and it's definitely not going to be these high ups and downs. Okay, it's going to be more stable, so you're not going to get these crazy 1,000% gains in just a few years. Okay, so that's no longer going to happen. And so that is my thoughts on the whole Bitcoin meltdown and also cryptocurrency in general. I do hope that people who did invest in this, that they didn't lose too much, and for the people who did make a lot of gains, congratulations. There's going to be more of this cryptocurrency coming, but as I said earlier, don't expect these crazy highs and lows, because this is where it's happening right now, since it is pretty much a brand new medium. So if you had any thoughts on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other type of cryptocurrencies, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.